Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Shopify email for online store sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Shopify email, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the marketing section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Campaign button at the top right corner. Choose Shopify email from the options provided. Select a template that suits your brand style or start from scratch. Customize the subject line to grab your customer's attention. Add a compelling preview text to encourage opens. In the email body, insert your brand's logo and relevant images. Write engaging content that highlights your products or promotions. Use clear and concise language to convey your message. Incorporate call to action buttons that direct customers to your online store. Personalize your email by adding customer names if possible. Make sure to include links to your social media accounts. Review your email for typos and design consistency. Once satisfied, click on the review button to check the details. Select the recipients for your email campaign. You can segment your audience based on their buying behavior or interests. Decide if you want to send your email immediately or schedule it for later. After confirming, press the Send button. Monitor the email performance through the analytics available in Shopify. Analyze open rates, click rates, and conversion rates to gauge effectiveness. Use this data to refine future email campaigns for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.